Previously on Gringas.
Esas asesinas me asustan, especialmente la que llaman araña.
I missed. I never miss.
También la ladrona famosa Asia sacó mi grupo.
La tercera tipa.
My name is Ashley.
You really thought you were just gonna chase me down and kill me with high heels and a knife? That's why they make guns, babe.
Are you okay?
Quick, grab him!
He's gone.
Ew! Stop, please stop. Ew! Oh, that's the grossest thing ever. Ew, just keep it away from me, it's gross. Oh, that is so gross. Gringas! Oh my god. Thank you so much. You saved my life. Thank you. I may. Well, what's your name? So, I've been literally stuck in there forever. And all that they fed me was like piss water and dog food. I mean, there are some times when I literally just wanted to die. Well, not really, but... Wait! I totally know who you are now! Yeah, the guards have been talking all about you. Look, I'm a reporter. Oh no, I can help you. Look, we both want the same things. Like, you want Sergio, so do I. Look, I've been tracking him for like a year now. That's why I was stuck in that freaking cage. All I need is a cell phone. Please don't hurt me. Oh God, I almost just died. Wait! Oh, I didn't know you had friends.
What the hell is that?
Hi, I'm May. Oh, right, I'm sorry. No introductions, I got it.
She can help us find Sergio.
Yes, I can. And all I need to do that is a cell phone. Now, do any of you guys have one? Thank you.
So who are you, CIA? Navy SEAL what?
Oh, no, I'm a reporter. But I do have excellent computer hacking skills, and I've been using those to help people in Colombia.
Okay, you can't kill Sergio with a computer.
He killed my best friend, okay? She was helping me do some exposés on him and some other cartels anonymously online, and I had set it up so no one would find us. But, you know, some of they did, and I showed up to work one day to find my best friend's decapitated head on a flagpole for everyone to see.
You talk way too much. Just revenge.
Asia! Can you find him on that phone?
Yes, if my equipment is still in the bag, I can easily hack in the GPS, which will lead us straight to Sergio and his men, and straight to him. Wait, why am I getting two different locations?
What?
Well, they must have split up.
Okay, well, Spider and I can get the first location, and you can go with Asia to the second.
What? Why do I have to hang out with the geek?
She lost her best friend. Maybe you could be her new one.
Try not to miss.
Oh, okay.
Let's go, geek.
Oh.
Bye, guys.
Girls! He's not here. We'll keep looking around.
Thanks, Asia. Come meet us here after. If Puma's here, that means Sergio has to be inside.
Leave her to me. We have some unfinished business. Is that all you've got? I heard you were a legend. I'm surprised you could hear anything from your cage.
Give it up! Just quack!
I never quit.
We've got her, sir. Flying to you now.
Girls, they took Ashley.